Today's topic, how to download Avast Antivirus free offline setup. Let's get started.
I'll be chasing colors.
Welcome to our channel Tech Unlimited Solution. Subscribe our channel for regular video on all problems and solutions related to software, mobile, computer, laptop, and others. Open any browser, as I am opening Chrome in my PC. Search for the Avast Antivirus free offline setup download. From the search result, open its official site. I will provide you the link in the description also. Once you open the provided link, the screen appears like this. Under the Home section, you will see the Avast Antivirus free option. Click on the Download tab under the Offline Installer. The download has been started. If in case the download will not start in a few seconds, then click here. The file has been downloaded successfully. Double tap on the file to run the installation process. For default settings, you can simply click to install. But I prefer to install with custom settings, so I will go with Customize option. I will uncheck some options. And click to install. Installation has been completed now. Click Continue. Now press for Continue with Free. That's all you have to do. You can run a scan to protect your PC from harmful viruses. Hope you like this video and successfully able to download Avast Antivirus free offline setup. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to press subscribe button for more tech related videos.